I was editing a video of the bird I killed 2 days ago out here. And I look out the window and there's a bird in the field, and sure enough it's a longbeard. Okay. He does have hands. I see 2 of them here. Alright, so I've got visual on the hens here and I cannot move any farther. There's a gap in this tree line. I'd like to try and call them in, but I just gave them 2 soft clucks because I don't really want to mess with them at the moment. If I drop down in this ditch, it should be able to get a little better view in case that tom starts to come over. Alright, they're making their way to the left. I might have enough cover to climb out the ditch to my left. You heard that? Alright, he's gone back to feeding, but he's put a little distance between us. I don't think they're coming towards me. They're still milling around, but they're probably going to move off onto the next farm. There's no way I can get ahead of them. There's no cover. One of the hens just flew up to roost and the other one's still feeding down there. I don't have a sight of the tom right now. There goes another one. Just flew up. The sun doesn't set for 30 minutes. I guess they've had it today. Well, I've been working on another video today. Got some catfishing video coming up. But I decided to check out on this misty, cold day. It's barely hitting 50 and it's misting light rain all day long. But old Tom's back out there and he's got at least 1 or 2 hens. They're not headed the way they should be or the way I want them to be. But I'm gonna try to see what I can do about it. I could bring my tail fan out there and probably kill him, but I feel like that'd almost be too easy. I did that last year and it was pretty fun, but I think it's time to go and continue my efforts sneaking up on this bird, because he got me yesterday evening he got me. The spot where they're at today makes it a lot easier to close distance quick. It's gonna get tougher as I get closer. Well, they beat me to the fence and they're just across it. Old Tom's strutting right now. I yelped a few times and it seemed to get his interest, but he's over there with 2 hens. So we'll see where they go. They may come back this way. I really hope they do. come under the fence to the right. Tom is following him. I got a creep. Jake's got his hands to himself now. Shoot. That bird made me work for him in my own backyard. Had to take a breath for that shot. There he is. Old skinny bear. What is up with his? That spur's broke off. That spur's nice and sharp. Solid 3-year-old at least. Pretty bird. Day 2 finally got him. And obviously I could only see his head for the shot, but I also saw his tail fan, so I knew he wasn't the Jake. All I needed to see was his fan. Whew. This old gobbler's been with these hens the past 2 days, probably longer, but I've been after him the past 2 afternoons here at the farm. That's number 3 down. Hopefully for number 4 I can find one that'll come to a call. I would really like that. But for now, I will take this very happily. And got just a few more days this season that I'll be able to hunt, so we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching.